Yo, my name is BNYX. Today I'm going to break down these two songs that me and BlackMass produced for Zack. I'm going to do a little beat breakdown for them. So let's get right into it. So for IHY2LN, I started out with these chords from the Roland D50 from the Roland Cloud. Yeah, it's like one of the 90s vibes, so the D50 was perfect for that. After that, I sang some vocals, just basically mimicking the chords. And then I added another layer. Oh, that's so nice. Another layer, and another layer. Yes, sir. Okay. And then I added the synth bass. You know, something simple. And after that, I pitched it up a couple clicks, so it kind of has that chipmunk sound to it. And this is how it sounds. Yes, sir. Come on, man. Y'all hear it. And then BlackMass, the bounce guy, came with the drums. Open hi-hat. Snap. Yo. Yo. Oh. And then hi-hat. Ooh. BlackMass. And then I came in with the 808. Damn. Huh? Yeah. And then I added some risers. You know what I'm saying? And put it all together, and you have this. Woo! Not too sure if I can say this, but Zack actually recorded this song on his iPad. He sent me the dry vocals, I mixed and mastered it, and boom, that's how it sounds.
The control, alt delete on my wrist, bitch is frozen.
Crispy.
I be going raw, Hulk Hogan. Bitch, I'll use heroin before I use Trojans. Ashy ass nigga, I don't never use lotion. Fucked her on a jet ski and nutted in the ocean.
Okay, now let's break down Marinate. This is my favorite one. First, I started out with these chords. And this. And then this. And then this. And this. And this. Funky. And then I layered it with this. Yes, sir. Then some guitar. And I found some cool 90s one-shot vocal samples. Thought I added them in to make it more 90s. Very 90s. No, this one's funny. Yeah, I made it sound super 90s by adding like a doubler and some tune, and it sounded like this now. Synth bass slide. Now let's put it all together. Yes, sir. And then BlackMass came through with the drums. Hi-hat. Rem click. Kick. Then I came through with the 808. You know what I'm saying? Teamwork shit. Then I added this triangle. And then this shaker. And this cool percussion loop. Wow. And then this extra 90s snare. And then all together is this.
Ooh. Ooh. God damn. Oh my God. Hey. Hold on, baby. I know you wanna twerk, but yeah, I got a gun in my shorts and yeah, it could get dangerous. Hold on.
Yo, man, thank you for watching the video. Like and subscribe, comment, bye.